Good afternoon, dear traders.
Hello everyone, welcome to ИнстаФорекс economic news channel with me, Anna Kasatkina.
And me, Marina Generalova.
You're watching combined currency and commodity markets review over the last week.
What were the changes on the currency floors?
The US dollar went down against the euro on Friday.
And what were the underlying factors?
Unexpectedly weak jobs data from the USA supported the euro, which managed to log the third successive weekly increase. In March, the US economy added 126,000 vacancies, while the analysts expected an increase of 243,000. Average hourly wage grew by 0.3%, which according to some experts was the only positive news in the report. On Friday, the US dollar dragged lower on lackluster economic reports. On Thursday, the greenback drew support from the weekly report on unemployment claims, but the effect did not last long. Meanwhile, the yen showed a sharp decline on Friday. The US dollar versus the Japanese yen pair neared 118.97 after trading above 120 points in the middle of the week. During the day, the yen dipped 75 points but settled only 17 points lower at the end of the week. As the fiscal year ended in Japan on the 31st of March, repatriation of capital to the country for taxes purposes became unnecessary for local businessmen, and this has hit the yen rate. As it is known, weak yen is favorable for the Japanese exports. Besides, the prices for iron ore fell below $50, pushing the Australian dollar rate down despite narrower trade deficit in the country. On Friday, the Australian versus the US dollar rate was at 76.32, down by 1.21 US cents since the last Friday close level. Slump in raw material prices is offset by the RBA by lower interest rate. Moreover, China's economy, Australia's major trade partner, is cooling down, and a relatively high rate of the Australian dollar causes lots of problems to the exporters. These factors, paired with low inflation, create perfect conditions for yet another rate slash in April or May. And this is all about Forex for today.
Thank you for the currency market overview, Anna.
You're welcome, Marina. And what about crude oil and gold?
Commodity market pitched south last week.
What was the reason for the commodity sell-off?
Worries over oil market gladdened positive data on unemployment claims. On Friday, commodity markets were closed for Easter. Oil futures dropped on Thursday amid investors' worries over excessive Iranian crude supply. Over the Friday's shortened session, WTI futures for May delivery lost 95 cents to $49.14 per barrel. Over the week, the quotes added about 0.6%. Nevertheless, slump in WTI prices was less significant than that of Brent. As a result, price difference between two types of oil was $6. Thus, Brent declined $2.15 to $54.95 per barrel. Over the week, it went down 2.7%. Gold futures showed a retracement on Thursday after a spike during the previous trading session. Demand for safe haven assets weakened after publication of report on unemployment claims in the United States. The report turned to be above expectations. Gold futures for June delivery went down by $7.30 to $1,290 per troy ounce at COMEX. However, the weekly change in prices was insignificant. Last Friday, April futures traded at $1,199.80.
Marina, thank you for the commodity market overview.
You're welcome, Anna.
You have just watched combined currency and commodity markets overview for the last week on ИнстаФорекс TV channel.
The report was presented to you by me, Marina Generalova,
And me, Anna Kasatkina.
Take care and goodbye.
See you.